mango, kale, banana smoothie. So in my blender cup, I got some ice. I have a full banana, and I got a fourth of a mango and some coconut milk yogurt. I just used one So Delicious coconut milk yogurt cup. So I'm going to blend this up so I can get some more room in my cup, and then add some kale. I'm going to chop. Okay. So this is how it looks after I blended it first. Now I'm going to have room to put my kale. And I'm going to add a good handful or two of kale. I also decided to add a good sprinkle of flax seeds because they're very healthy for you. I did add quite a lot of kale, but I packed it in there. And I added my flax seeds. So I'm going to... So it turns this nice green color. I do think it's a little bit thick for my taste. So I'm going to go ahead and add a splash of almond milk and mix it one last time. This is my final smoothie. Again, I added mango, coconut milk yogurt, flax seeds, kale, and a whole banana. Hope you guys enjoy this recipe, and if you do, I will post more smoothie recipes to come. And like and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day.